Hi students, welcome to Hybrid Learning. In today's video, we will solve this interesting exponent question involving prime factorization and fractional powers. Let's find the values of A, B, and C step by step. Here's the question. We are going to find out the values of A, B, and C. First of all, we are going to solve step by step. Okay, so we are going to simplify each part separately. So I'm going to simplify this one first. 50 by 3 whole power negative 2, which can be written as if the power is a negative, hence we can write it as a reciprocation, that is upside down. 3 by 50 the whole square, which is 9 over 2500. Next, we are going to do square root of 3 cube, which can be written as 3 cube the whole power 1 by 2. If it is we have a power, we can multiply the power. So 3 power 3 by 2. Let's combine this. So it's 9 by 2500 times 3 to the power 3 by 2. And here we have a division part. So I'm going to convert that into multiplication. Then we need to reciprocate this, which is 2 over 5. Okay. I'm going to, let's write down the exponent form for 9 and 2500. So 9 can be written as 3 square times 3 to the power 3 by 2. 2500 can be written as, we can do the simplification division. 5 times 25 times. So this is 5 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 2 into 2 over 5. Okay, so let's simplify this. If the bases are same, we have to add the powers. So I'm going to add it as 3 square plus 3 by 2 times 2 to the power 1, and it is in a division, so we need to subtract the powers. And in the denominator, we need to add the power. Okay, so this can be 3 to the power 7 by 2 times 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power 5. We can move this 5 to the power 5 to the numerator. Hence, the value will be 2 to the power minus 1, 3 to the power 7 by 2, 5 to the power negative 5. So, which is equivalent to 2 to the power A, 3 to the power B, and 5 to the power C. So, the A value is negative 1, B value is 7 by 2, and C is negative 5. Hope you understand this. If you have any questions, you can mention it in the comment section so that we can upload in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care.